Architectural aluminum patio covers with no limits. Let me show you what that means. That means if you want 10, 12, whatever height you want, we'll do. That means if you want your patio on your roof, we'll do. If you want it to go on the second roof, we will do. And spans with all these vertical posts that is in the way and interfering with everything. That means no limits. No limits means custom patios. And when it comes direct from the factory, and that's where you're winning. You're winning on durability, you're winning on the quality because there's no mismatch and no corner cutting. We don't have to, we are the factory. And you're not missing on the pricing because you're getting exactly what you're paying for. And knowing that you can do a louver automatic for those certain areas that is required and beautiful projects. And if the budget's there, go automatic. If you need insulated panel, then we're gonna do insulated panel. No rotting, no rusting, and no painting. So that's what I mean. When we go no limits, patio covers, you're talking Globus. And that's exactly the results you get. Custom look, custom color, beautiful options, multiple configurations to go with, and that's what you're getting. Send us your pictures, your sizes. Let's get your quote out. Patio covers with no limits, architectural aluminum, factory direct. We're talking Globus.